traveling can be stressful, but it doesn't have to be. Did you know that 45% of travelers report feeling anxious before a trip? Or that overpacking is a common mistake made by 62% of people? If you're one of them, you're not alone. But here's the good news. With a few tiny tweaks, your travel day can be smooth and stress-free. In this video, we'll share 24 tiny travel tips that make a big difference. From mastering the art of packing light to beating jet lag, these tips are designed to make your journey easier. You'll learn how to breeze through security, keep yourself entertained, and stay fresh on the go. We'll also reveal some surprising facts and clever hacks that seasoned travelers swear by. Ready to transform your travel experience? Let's dive into these game-changing tips and make your next trip the best one yet. Stay tuned for strategies that will save you time, money, and stress. 1. Master the art of packing light. Packing light is an art form. Did you know that 62% of travelers overpack? Start by making a list of essentials and stick to it. Use packing cubes to organize your items. They help compress clothes and keep your suitcase neat. A tip from Marie Kondo: only bring items that spark joy. This keeps your load lighter and your mind happier. Rolling clothes instead of folding them saves space and reduces wrinkles. Pack versatile clothing that can be mixed and matched. For instance, a pair of jeans can be dressed up or down. Shoes take up a lot of space, so limit yourself to 2 pairs, one comfortable and one stylish. Remember, you can always do laundry on the go. 2. Roll, don't fold. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them is a game changer. It's a trick used by many seasoned travelers and endorsed by experts like Rick Steves. Rolling not only saves space but also helps prevent wrinkles. A study found that rolling can increase luggage capacity by up to 30%. To roll effectively, lay the garment face down, fold back the sleeves, and roll from the bottom up. This technique works wonders for t-shirts, jeans, and even jackets. For delicate items, try the bundle wrapping method. It involves wrapping clothes around a central core, keeping them compact and wrinkle-free. Combine rolling with packing cubes for maximum efficiency. 3. Smart shoe storage. Shoes are bulky, but you can store them smartly. Place shoes at the bottom of your suitcase to create a stable base. Use shower caps to cover the soles and keep your clothes clean. Stuff socks and small items inside your shoes to save space and maintain their shape. According to Travel Plus Leisure, this hack can free up 15% of your suitcase space. Another tip is to wear your heaviest shoes during travel. This lightens your load and provides extra room for souvenirs. Use a shoe bag to keep everything organized. It also helps prevent dirt and odors from spreading. 4. The essential tech kit. Tech can make or break your travel experience. A well-organized tech kit is essential. Start with a universal adapter. It ensures your devices stay charged no matter where you are. Pack a power bank for on-the-go charging. According to a survey, 80% of travelers carry at least 2 devices. Bring a retractable charging cable to avoid tangles. Noise-canceling headphones are a lifesaver during flights. They block out noise and help you relax. Don't forget a portable Wi-Fi hotspot for reliable internet access. Keep all your tech gear in a small pouch. It keeps everything together and easy to find. 5. Pre-flight hydration hacks. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially during flights. Airplane cabins have low humidity, which can dehydrate you quickly. Start hydrating 24 hours before your flight. Drink plenty of water and avoid alcohol and caffeine. Bring an empty water bottle through security and fill it up before boarding. Electrolyte tablets can help maintain hydration levels. According to Mayo Clinic, proper hydration can reduce jet lag. Moisturize your skin to combat dryness. Use a hydrating face mist during the flight. Wear lip balm to prevent chapped lips. These small steps can make a big difference. 6. Snack attack pack. Healthy snacks are a must for stress-free travel. Pack a variety of snacks to keep you energized. Nuts and seeds are great options. They're nutritious and easy to carry. A study from Harvard found that nuts can improve heart health. Dried fruits provide a quick energy boost. Granola bars are convenient and filling. Avoid snacks high in sugar. They can cause energy crashes. Consider packing fresh fruits like apples or grapes. They're refreshing and hydrating. Use resealable bags to keep snacks fresh. Packing your own snacks can save you money and ensure you have healthy options. 7. Stress-free security screening. Security screening can be stressful, but it doesn't have to be. Wear slip-on shoes to speed up the process. Keep your laptop and liquids at the top of your bag for easy access. The TSA PreCheck program can save you time. According to TSA, PreCheck passengers wait less than 5 minutes on average. Ensure your liquids are in a clear, quart-sized bag. Follow the 3-1-1 rule. 3.4 ounces per container, 1 quart-sized bag, 1 bag per person. Empty your pockets before reaching the scanner. These small steps can make security screening a breeze. 8. The perfect travel outfit. Choosing the right travel outfit is key to staying comfortable. Layering is the way to go. Airports and planes can vary in temperature. Wear breathable fabrics like cotton or linen. Compression socks can prevent swelling during long flights. According to Mayo Clinic, they improve blood flow and reduce the risk of deep vein thrombosis. A lightweight scarf can keep you warm and double as a blanket. Slip-on shoes make security checks easier. Choose wrinkle-resistant clothes to stay looking fresh. Comfort is king, but don't forget to stay stylish. 9. Mini toiletry must-haves. Mini toiletries are a traveler's best friend. They save space and meet airline regulations. Invest in travel-sized containers. Fill them with your favorite products. TSA allows liquids in containers of 3.4 ounces or less. Pack essentials like shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Don't forget toothpaste and a toothbrush. A study found that 40% of travelers forget at least one toiletry item. A small pack of facial wipes can be refreshing. Keep everything in a clear, zippered bag for easy access. This keeps your toiletry kit organized and compliant with security rules. Before we go on, hit the subscribe button and join our community for more amazing videos. 10. Portable entertainment essentials. Keeping yourself entertained during travel is key to a stress-free journey. Load your devices with your favorite movies, books, and podcasts before you leave. Did you know that audiobooks can make long flights feel shorter? A survey found that 68% of travelers listen to audiobooks on planes. Download a few episodes of a new series or an engaging book. Bring a lightweight e-reader to avoid carrying heavy books. Noise-canceling headphones are a must-have to block out background noise. Carry a travel-sized board game or a deck of cards for some offline fun. Remember to pack a portable charger to keep your devices powered up. 11. DIY travel first aid kit. A well-stocked first aid kit can save the day. Start with basics like band-aids, antiseptic wipes, and pain relievers. Include items for common travel ailments like motion sickness and upset stomach. Did you know that 30% of travelers experience motion sickness? Pack motion sickness tablets just in case. Include a small pair of scissors and tweezers. Add blister pads if you plan on doing a lot of walking. A tiny tube of antibiotic ointment can prevent infections. Don't forget any personal medications. Store everything in a compact, waterproof bag for easy access. 12. Stay fresh on the go. Staying fresh during travel can boost your mood and energy. Pack travel-sized toiletries like deodorant, facial wipes, and dry shampoo. A survey found that 72% of travelers feel better after freshening up mid-flight. Bring a travel toothbrush and toothpaste for quick refreshes. Use facial mist to keep your skin hydrated. Hand sanitizer is a must to keep germs at bay. Carry a small towel or washcloth for quick cleanups. Changing into fresh clothes after a long flight can make you feel rejuvenated. Store these items in a small, accessible pouch in your carry-on. 13. Beat the layover blues. Long layovers can be tedious, but they don't have to be. Use this time to explore the airport. Many airports offer free art exhibits, movie theaters, and spas. Did you know that Singapore's Changi Airport has a butterfly garden? Plan ahead and find out what amenities are available. Bring a book or download new episodes of your favorite show. Use the time to catch up on work or emails. Some airports offer sleep pods or lounges where you can rest. Pack a small travel pillow and blanket for added comfort. Take a walk to stretch your legs and stay active. 14. Airport lounge hacks. Airport lounges aren't just for first-class passengers. Many lounges offer day passes for a fee. Did you know that lounge access can cost as little as $25? Check if your credit card offers free or discounted access. Lounges provide comfortable seating, free Wi-Fi, and complimentary snacks. Use lounge access apps like Lounge Buddy to find deals. Arrive early to maximize your time and relax before your flight. Some lounges offer shower facilities to freshen up. Use the quiet environment to catch up on work or read a book. This can make layovers feel luxurious and stress-free. 5 Seating secrets. Choosing the right seat can make a big difference. Use sites like Seat Guru to find the best seats on your flight. Did you know that exit rows often have extra legroom? Book early to get your preferred seat. Avoid seats near the bathrooms to reduce noise and foot traffic. Aisle seats provide easy access to move around. Window seats offer a place to rest your head. If you're traveling with a partner, book an aisle and window seat. Middle seats are less likely to be taken, giving you extra space. Consider upgrading to premium economy for added comfort. 16 Sleep like a pro on planes. Getting good sleep on a plane is possible with the right strategy. Bring a neck pillow and an eye mask. According to a travel study, 60% of passengers sleep better with these items. Wear comfortable clothing and layers to adjust to cabin temperatures. Use noise-canceling headphones or earplugs to block out noise. Recline your seat slightly to find a comfortable position. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before and during the flight. Drink water to stay hydrated. Practice deep breathing or meditation to relax. These tips can help you arrive well-rested and refreshed. 17 Travel Insurance 101. Travel insurance is a safety net for unexpected events. According to the U.S. Travel Insurance Association, 1 in 6 Americans face travel disruptions. Purchase insurance that covers trip cancellations, medical emergencies, and lost luggage. Compare plans and read reviews before buying. Some credit cards offer built-in travel insurance. Always read the fine print to understand what's covered. Keep a copy of your policy and emergency numbers handy. Travel insurance can give you peace of mind and save you money in emergencies. 18 Currency exchange tips. Getting the best currency exchange rates can save you money. Avoid exchanging money at airports. They often have the worst rates. Use your bank's ATM network for better rates and lower fees. Did you know that withdrawing local currency from ATMs can be cheaper? Notify your bank of your travel plans to avoid blocked transactions. Carry a mix of cash and cards for flexibility. Use currency exchange apps to track rates. Avoid dynamic currency conversion at ATMs and merchants. This ensures you're charged in local currency, saving you money. Store foreign currency in a secure wallet or money belt. 19 Local SIM cards versus international plans. Staying connected while traveling is crucial. One option is to get a local SIM card upon arrival. Did you know that local SIM cards can save you up to 80% compared to international plans? Research in advance to find the best provider. Many airports have kiosks where you can buy a SIM card. Make sure your phone is unlocked before you travel. Another option is to use an international plan from your carrier. These plans offer convenience but can be more expensive. Compare the costs and benefits before deciding. Using Wi-Fi where available can also help save data. 20 Language barrier busters. Communicating in a foreign country can be challenging. Download language translation apps like Google Translate. A study found that these apps can translate over 100 languages accurately. Learn a few basic phrases in the local language. This shows respect and can help in everyday situations. Carry a pocket dictionary for quick reference. Visual aids, like pointing to pictures or maps, can also help. Join language exchange groups to practice before your trip. Locals appreciate the effort and are more likely to help you. Body language and gestures can bridge communication gaps effectively. 21 Jet lag busters. Jet lag can ruin the start of your trip. Adjust your sleep schedule a few days before departure. According to the Mayo Clinic, this can reduce the effects of jet lag. Stay hydrated and avoid alcohol on the plane. Expose yourself to natural light upon arrival. This helps reset your internal clock. Consider taking melatonin supplements to aid sleep. A study found that melatonin can reduce jet lag symptoms by 50%. Avoid heavy meals and caffeine close to bedtime. Gentle exercise like walking or stretching can also help. These strategies can make your transition smoother. 22 Customs and immigration tips. Navigating customs and immigration can be stressful. Fill out all required forms before landing. This saves time and hassle. Have your passport and travel documents ready. Know the customs regulations of your destination. Declare any items you're bringing to avoid fines. A quote from Rick Steves: "Honesty is the best policy at customs. Be polite and patient with officers. Avoid jokes or comments that could be misunderstood. Keep a copy of your itinerary handy. This shows you have a plan and reduces suspicion." These tips can help you clear customs smoothly. 23 Eco-friendly travel tips. Traveling green is good for the planet. Pack reusable items like water bottles, shopping bags, and utensils. This reduces single-use plastic waste. Choose eco-friendly accommodations. Look for hotels with green certifications. Use public transportation or walk instead of driving. This cuts down on carbon emissions. A study found that public transit can reduce travel emissions by 55%.